Welcome to our Manifestation Magic review. The creators of Manifestation Magic claim that their product will make users wealthier in several areas of their lives. They claim that Manifestation Magic will do a number of things for the users, such as help them to achieve financial prosperity, achieve joy and happiness in their life, improve their health, create deeper connections with people and more. The Manifestation Magic course can be completed by the user in 24 hours. The creators claim that by using the program the user will increase their energy vibrations and increase the frequencies that they transmit to the universe. Manifestation Magic works by connecting with the subconscious mind of the user to change currently held negative beliefs into positive beliefs. The creators claim that it also helps to transform negative thinking into positive thinking. Customer feedback and review. An amazing product. Manifestation at its finest. I have noticed a huge shift in life. My business is succeeding and future is looking very promising. This is a simple audio program you listen to going to sleep with a couple other audios while asleep. People think you're crazy, but it works. Top work guys, glad I purchased. From an actual user on Facebook.com. It's unbelievable, it works. If you really surrender to the vibrations and feelings, few hours or days after you get impressive results. From an actual user on Facebook.com. I absolutely love my sound recordings and have listened daily since I purchased them over 2 months ago. They have helped me immensely by pushing up whatever limitations I am looking at around abundance. I've doubled my income. From an actual user on Facebook.com. Overview of Manifestation Magic and research. According to the general online consensus, where research is based on unbiased non-vested comments, Manifestation Magic seems to have worked for the majority of those customers that tried it. It was difficult to find any real negative comments from people that had used the Manifestation Magic program. The only negative comments that we found were from people who had never used the Manifestation Magic product. The Sure Reviews verdict. Manifestation Magic works as claimed and will help people to improve their energy vibrations and transform negativity into positivity to attract the things that they desire in life. Product specifications. The creator of Manifestation Magic is Alexander Wilson. He is a spiritual teacher and has published best-selling spirituality and law of attraction books. Wilson spent several years studying the laws of the universe and applied them successfully to improve his own personal development. Manifestation Magic is a compilation of the knowledge he has gained to harness the power of the law of attraction to improve his life and obtain the things that he desired. There are two main components to the Manifestation Magic program. There is a quick start manifestation guide which guides the user on how to get the most out of the Manifestation Magic audio tracks. Then there are 7 audio tracks in MP3 format which assist the user to enhance their wealth energy. These help to replace negative thoughts with positive energy. At the time of making this video there were 4 bonuses available with Manifestation Magic, which are the Chakra Power System, the 360 Transformation System, the Abundance Miracle System and 7 Sacred Signs. The price of the Manifestation Magic program is $47. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description to go to the Manifestation Magic official homepage.